We are pleased to show you the 2024 Palisade. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.